So it's a case of chor machaye shor. Our aim is not to disenfranchise. All kinds of documents are being manufactured and in 2 districts. So I will call it that this is all politicking, political narrative setting.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में एसआईआर मामले की सुनवाई के दौरान चुनाव आयोग की ओर से पेश वरिष्ठ वकील राकेश द्विवेदी ने साफ कहा कि चुनाव आयोग का मकसद किसी भी मतदाता का नाम काटना नहीं है, बल्कि नागरिकता, उम्र और कानूनी योग्यता की केवल जांच की जा रही है। उन्होंने अदालत को बताया कि बिहार में सत्यापन प्रक्रिया में आधार कार्ड का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया गया, लेकिन पश्चिम बंगाल में खास तौर पर दक्षिण 24 परगना और मालदा जिलों में बड़ी संख्या में संदिग्ध और बनाए गए दस्तावेज सामने आए हैं। हालांकि उन्होंने यह भी कहा कि अब तक किसी भी मतदाता ने औपचारिक शिकायत दर्ज नहीं कराई है। सिर्फ कुछ मामलों में गड़बड़ियों की बात सामने आई है, जिन्हें ठीक किया जा रहा है। राकेश द्विवेदी ने कहा कि अब तक 1 करोड़ से ज्यादा सुनवाई पूरी हो चुकी है और बाकी मामलों के लिए पर्याप्त समय मौजूद है। उनके मुताबिक मतदाता सूची 14 तारीख को प्रकाशित की जाएगी और मई में विधानसभा चुनाव तय समय पर कराए जा सकते हैं। जरूरत पड़ी तो समय सीमा को 14 से बढ़ाकर 20 तारीख तक भी बढ़ाया जा सकता है।
In Bihar, what happened? चोरी हो गया. Ultimately, what happened? Election happened smoothly. No appeal, no writ petition, either in High Court or Supreme Court. And finally, elections were conducted. Historic percentage of vote, the women percentage high up. So, where is Rahul Gandhi? What is he doing now? So, actually, real question is, why do people want that dead people, duplicates, and those who have permanently migrated should remain? Actually, those who want these voters to remain dead voters, they are interested in chori. So it's a case of chor machaye shor.
Sir, what say is disenfranchised during SIR?
Our aim is not to disenfranchise. We are simply verifying one's citizenship, age, and you are not disqualified on any grounds prescribed by law. That's it. And for verification, a very simple method has been adopted, 2002 SIR, which we are assuming that those who are there are citizens. Then all subsequently those people becoming major, if they have got their parents in that list, they don't have to file any document, which is almost 76 to 80% of people don't have to file documents. Now, those who are left behind, they have to produce one of the 11 documents. And now we are in that stage of literacy, it's not a question of considering those people who are 60 years, 50 years and are therefore illiterate. So modern times, education up to class 10 is mandatory. So given all these things and 11 documents, not one Aadhaar card was used in Bihar. And now in Bengal, what is happening is all kinds of documents are being manufactured and in 2 districts. 24 South Pargana, Malda, majority.
So as you are, sir, highlighting, maintain the neutrality and public confidence in such a sensitive exercise.
So public, if no public is challenging, where is the public challenging? It is TMC and TMC MPs, or not single voter has come forward to say anything. Some people have complained about this mismatch, etc. So that is being taken care of. Now tell me one thing, supposing there is a mismatch in the name, should we not correct it? Or should we leave it? And supposing that person is stopped at the time of polling, in the polling booth, and after 5 o'clock he has no remedy, no appeal, he's gone. So why not correct it now? It is somebody is assuming that if we have issued 1 crore notice, so we are going to definitely delete them. If there are spelling mistakes, if the name of husband is they are saying that people got married, so they have to change their names. So should it not be recorded that instead of Pandey now I have become Dwivedi, so it should be entered as Dwivedi? It's a simple thing, but naturally for election purposes, they have to project that something extraordinary is happening. And it's a cooperative exercise. State government employees are doing it. Every employee knows that after 2 months they will go back to work in the state. Can you imagine that they will be doing bungling at the instance of, we don't have our own staff. And everything is happening in open gaze. All the lists are being given to the political parties. It is being put in the panchayat and everything in the website.
You term this as a political stunt.
So I will call it that this is all politicking, political narrative setting. They are entitled to play their own game in their own ways. I will not comment on that.
प्रभातखबर.com, विश्वास वही, रफ्तार नहीं।